This is a review of the cleaning performance of the new iRobot Roomba Plus 505 combo. In addition to the partially modified sensor technology compared to previous models, the 505 combo is now equipped with only a single main brush. This brush is also completely unstructured and features only identical rubber blades. New to the iRobot combo universe is the use of mops. We'll take a look at whether these improve hard floor cleaning in terms of dust pickup. First, let's start with carpet cleaning performance. To test carpet cleaning under real-life conditions and over the long term, I use certified test dust. This is also used by testing institutes and simulates household dust. For my standardized test, I use 3 different types of carpet. First, a red carpet with a very dense 2-centimeter long pile, onto which 10 grams of test dust are applied and then embedded as shown. Then a carpet with a very soft 2-centimeter long pile, which was also soiled with 10 grams of test dust as described above. Finally, I test a dirt mat, which is soiled with only 5 grams of the test dust, but is also tested with a spot-on soiling of 10 grams of bird sand. The test was done with the maximum suction level selectable. Also, carpet boost is enabled if available, since some models can boost even higher as the maximum selectable suction. With the exception of the red carpet, all carpets were cleaned in a checkerboard pattern, that is, with horizontal and vertical lines. The red carpet was only cleaned in horizontal lines because the pile is oriented, and cleaning with vertical lines negatively impacts cleaning performance with this type of dirt. It was weighed after 7 and 14 cleaning strokes. The dirt mat test ended after 7 cleaning strokes, as I believe this type of carpet is manually cleaned more often. All tests were performed 3 times. The middle result is shown. However, due to the test design, all 3 runs usually show the same result. Let's take a look at the results in direct comparison to iRobot's older models. The dirt mat test shows that the 505 combo can beat the 10 Max and the equally performing Combo J9 in dust collection, but falls short in bird sand removal. It's absolutely no match for an iRobot S9 or 980 for either type of dirt. Links to the tests of the older models are in the description. When cleaning the blue fluffy carpet, the results are even inferior to the already rather poor cleaning performance of a 10 Max or Combo J9. We also have no gains after 7 cleaning runs, leaving 61% of the test dust in the carpet. The results of the 980 and especially the S9 are significantly better here. As expected, the 505 combo can't keep up with the red carpet cleaning performance, and it can't even reach the poor standards of the 10 Max or Combo J9. A S9 or 980 performs significantly better here too. The only good news here is that the 505 combo does not rip out carpet fibers in a higher amount like the 980 or S9 do. Therefore, a corrected value is given for these robots. More details on this can be found in the linked videos in the description. Let's see how the robot performs compared to the competition. As we have seen, the overall carpet performance is not great, and the 505 combo got outperformed in many cleaning tests. In some tests, it is able to compete with some Roborock models and beats the UFY S1 Pro in every test done, but we are comparing a very low carpet cleaning performance in this argument. Compared to the older iRobot models, the single structureless main brush is also in disadvantage regarding fiber removal from carpets, as we can see in the following test. I tested the fiber pickup with a small amount of viscose fibers that were pushed down for 5 seconds. The testing was done at the same humidity level, which is important since it affects the stickiness of the fibers to the carpet. The 505 combo was not able to remove the fibers even after 4 passes, while the tested S9 and the 10 Max had no issues to remove all fibers. A more slowed down version of this test is linked in the description. Last but not least, we come to the hard floor test. Here too, I use special certified test dust that simulates typical hard floor and grout dust. 0.45 grams of test dust is applied, and the robots are allowed to clean the area 8 times at the maximum suction level. After these 8 cleaning passes, the surface is checked with a microfiber cloth. For robots with a mopping function, if the surface is not clean, a double cleaning is performed in mopping mode only. A medium water setting is used if possible. In the case of the 505 combo, no setting is possible because the robot does not have an internal tank. However, the Smart Scrub function was activated for more intensive cleaning. After a drying phase of 10 minutes, the surface is checked again, and the grout lines are also checked. This performance is not great, but is the same you get from, for example, a Roborock Saros 10R or the Dream X40 and X50, both vacuuming and mopping. Vacuuming only is just bad, and these machines do nothing regarding dust and gaps, even with the use of mopping. There are robots out there vacuuming this up with no problems. Even some more or less crappy vacuum sticks perform better at the lowest setting. More about this in more detail in a future video. So should you buy one? I think no, given the current price tag of €569 at the time of recording this video and the shown performance. Navigation, especially edge and corner coverage, also along furnitures, is mediocre at the current firmware, as you can see in my cleaning run video. Also, the app still needs some polish since you have no obstacle avoidance settings or even usable feedback regarding obstacle avoidance. Since iRobot's obstacle avoidance worked pretty well with the older J models, and you get more options for customizing it at some point in the future, you maybe can give it a try in hard floor only environments if the price comes down and you are aware of the cleaning performance as shown. We will see if the 705 performs any better. I bought one. It has the typical iRobot dual roller design, so like and subscribe to not miss this upcoming video. If you want to support me even further, there are some links in the description to do so. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.